Good morning, students. Welcome back to St. Joseph's English Medium School, Vijaypur, WhatsApp digital learning classes of 4th standard math subject. Students, in the last video, we have started a new lesson called Roman numerals. In that video, we have learnt understanding the Hindu-Arabic system and introduction to the Roman numerals, rules of writing the Roman numerals. There we have completed question number 1 and 2. You know it. Now, in this exercise, now whatever left, that is because in this lesson only one exercise is given, so still we are left with 2 questions. So, let's see what are those 2 questions. That is question number 3, writing the dictated Hindu-Arabic numbers into Roman numerals. Any numbers will be dictated by your teacher that you have to write in the Roman numerals. But as we are in the digital learning classes, so I only dictate and give the answers to you. Then question number 4, writing the numerals into the Hindu-Arabic numbers. These 2 questions we are going to solve in the today's video. So, before start this question, as I told, Roman numerals will be based on 7 alphabets. Which are those? I, V, X, L, C, D, M. These are the 7 alphabets we used to write the Roman numerals. And while writing, we follow the certain rules and regulation. This I already told in my earlier video. Today also, before solving each question, I will take that concept once again for you. So, what is the question first given? Write down the numbers, question number 3, write down the numbers dictated by your teacher above the line. Then write its corresponding Roman numeral below in the line. The teacher will tell you the number that you have to write in the first Hindu-Arabic number, then you have to write into the Roman numerals. There one example is given in the textbook is 5. 5 means V. Now what is the next number? Question number A. The number is given is 44. See children. 44 means here we have to what we have to do? We have to follow the subtraction method of the Roman numerals. Why? Because L is 50. Yes. To this L, if you write left side the smaller numeral, that is 10, that is X, then it will become XL will become 40. Then 4, how to write 4 in the Roman numerals? IV, because V is 5, I is 1. In the 1 we are going to, in the 5 we are going to minus 1. So that will become 4. That means we have to write XLIV. As I told, children, can you see? L is 50. In that 50 we are minusing 10. That will become 40. Then this V we are having 5. 5 in that 1 if we are minusing, it will become 44. Now what is the next number is given? Question number B. The next number is given is 88. So it's also a number. So what to do here? While writing 88, first we have to write L to get the 50. Then triple X, it will become L. 50 plus triple X is 80. Then 5 V, 85. 3 I's indicates 3. So 85 plus 3 is 88. Like this we have to write the answers. Now C question, the next number is 90. We know it. C is 100. In that, to write the 90, what we have to do? X minus XC. In the X is 10. In the 100, if you minus 10, it will become 90. Then the D question. 100. What is 100? Very easiest number. That is C. Let us take the next question. That is 500. Which alphabet we have to write for this in the Roman numerals? Yes, I told in the earlier video. D is 500. Now 800. Now how to write 800? D we know it is a 500. C is 100. If you write DC, it will become 600. Again, one more C if you include, it will become 700. And one more C, because we can add up to 3 alphabets to the number. So what we have to write? DCCC. That is 500, 600, 700, 800. Now what is the next number? The next number is 900. Look at the 800 children. Already we have taken 3 C's. Now we cannot add one more C. What we have to do? Again we have to go for subtraction rule of the Roman numerals. We know M is 1000. In the M we have to minus 100. So what we have to write? CM. Got it? Next, H question. H is 1000. 1000 is what? I told now only. Yes, it's a M. Next, I. I is 1100. Now 1000 we know it. That is M. To this we want to add the 100. So what we have to write? MC. See here. Got the idea, children? So this is the method you have to write. These all numbers are not given in the textbook. This is been dictated by me, teacher. Okay. So those numbers you have to write in your classwork. Now let us see the next question of the exercise. That is question number 4. Write the Hindu Arabic for these numerals. These numbers you have to write in the Roman numerals of these numbers. So this write the Hindu Arabic for these Roman numerals. So this you have to write in your classwork. So now children, what we have to do here? First we have to take the Roman numerals. See, first here Roman numerals are given in the textbook. For that we have to write in the Hindu Arabic number. Hindu Arabic means our daily writing numbers. Okay. So let us see first question. What is the first question? X, X, I. 2x is equal to 20. I is 1, 21. One more I, 22. The answer is 22. Let's take the B question. X, X, V, I. XX means 20. V means 5, 25. Again I. So we have to add this 26. Now C question. X, L, I. See here. Before the L, X is there. So what we have to do? We have to minus here. XL means 40. To that you have to add the 1. This will become 41. Next D. L is there, afterwards X is there. That means we have to add this. L is 50, 1x is 60, 2x is 70, L 2x is 70, L 3x means 80, again V means 85, 2y means 87. The answer is 87. Like this you have to say and write, children, what you are adding and what you are subtracting the alphabets. Now triple X means, yes, that is 30. Triple XV 35. 3I's 38. Understood? Next F question. XC. In the C we have to minus the X. So 100 minus 10, 90. I means add it. 91. LVI. L is 50. To that add the V, that is 55. Add I, that will become 56. Children, observe these all things carefully. Okay, and concentrately. How I am doing it. Next, H question. LX. LX means 50 plus 10 is 60. Again V is there, 65. To that add the I, 66. So this is the method you have to write the, for the Hindu Arabic numbers we have to write the, for the Roman numerals we have to write the Hindu Arabic numbers. In the question number 3, for the Hindu Arabic numbers we are written in the Roman numerals. In question number 4, what we have done? For the Roman numerals we wrote Hindu Arabic numbers. So this question always appear in the exams like a match the following. The both will be given. Roman numerals is given in one side and Hindu Arabic number will be given in another side. You have to match the correct numerals. Okay. So by this, children, we have completed our lesson. But before closing this, I want to tell you, even we use Roman numerals to mention the rank, class, grade or position. Rank means in the class who is first rank, second rank, we tell in the results, no. Then class means which standard, third standard, fourth standard, fifth standard, like this you say, ne? And also grade, first grade, second grade, position, first place, second place, like this. So this, to mention this, we use the Roman numbers. But how to write, I'll show you. When mentioning the rank and class, grade, the Roman numerals we have to write like this. First I'll take this one. Say the capital I along with both upper side line and downside line. Why? It will inform the first place. See what it will inform? First. If you don't give upper and below line, it will be read as 1, which were written already in the 1 to 100. It will inform first. Next, this informs second. Second class, second position. So how to read this? Second, first. This will be read as third. Fourth. How to write it in the Roman numerals? Fourth. If you write just IV, that will be read as 4. But if you put upper and below the lines, that will be read as fourth. See here. While writing the class, you write now? Yes. This will be written as, only if you write V, that will be written as 5. But when you put upper and downside line, below line, that will be read as fifth. What it will be read as? Fifth. Like that, 6th, 7th is there. Now what is this? X. X means 10. But upper and below we are having the line, we will read it as 10th. This is also one method, but it is not given in the textbook. Only for your extra information I am giving to you. While mentioning the grade, class, rank, positions, we can use this. If you are going for the first class train ticket, then it will be written as I here, like this. So children, I hope you all understood this Roman numerals thoroughly. Till any confusions, anything if you don't understand, please send me a WhatsApp message. I'll really look to that message and answer you properly. So children, what we have to do today? You have to write in your classwork question number 3. What? Write the corresponding Roman numerals, then 5, like this. You have to write the questions with answer. Got it? So like this you have to write question number 3. Write down the numbers given in the below space. This you have to write in your classwork, both question number 3 and 4. So in this video we have completed question number 3 and question number 4. I hope you all have understood once again. So by this we have completed today lesson number 3. The next video will be of lesson number 4. We are going to start the next lesson is lesson number 4, that is addition. Okay. So till the next video children, stay home, stay safe. Please write your classwork. You should be always update with your classwork. Whenever you get the videos, immediately you can write it down and keep it ready. So stay home, stay safe. Thank you for watching the video children. See you. Goodbye.